Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel EduVet. Today we are discussing a job career video for the vets and the agriculture graduates. This is an exam conducted by IBPS, and this exam is conducted for the recruitment of agriculture field officer. So most of the vets do not know about this exam, and vets are eligible for this exam. So directly moving to the video. This exam is conducted by IBPS for the recruitment in government banks and public sector units. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection is the IBPS. So, graduates are eligible for this post and are assigned as AFO to various public sector banks. This is a bank job. So, it's under public sector banks except the SBI. You will not be taken into SBI and other Punjab National Bank, agriculture oriented banks, etc. You can go to the rise of a zonal manager even. So the exam has got three parts, that is preliminary, mains, and the third part is the interview, which is conducted by IBPS PO. And the post is agriculture field officer. So in the preliminary test, you will be having reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and English language. That is total 150 questions. Marks will be 125, and time will be 200. So negative marking is present, that is 0.25 for each wrong answer, and for each correct answer, you will be getting 1 mark. And whenever you cross in the preliminary stage, you will be called for the mains examination. Mains examination is actually the functional knowledge or the graduate level questioning. It will be comprising of 60 questions with 60 marks and 45 minutes. You will be having questions mainly on the agriculture and animal husbandry basis. And you will be having 0.25 marks as the negative. And if at all you pass in the mains examination also, you will be called for the interview and you will be having a mark for interview. So you will have to pass in the three stages to get as a job as agriculture field officer. So this was the preliminary cutoff in the previous year. You can see this is the mains cutoff. You guys can easily know the status of the validity of the examination by using the cutoff. So the prelims syllabus is containing quantitative aptitude, English and reasoning. So this will be the quantitative aptitude, that is number, series, significant, approximation, data interpretation, percentage, partnership, age, problem, probability, speed, distance. You will be having questions from these sections. And in the reasoning syllabus, you will be having both verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning, and these are the contents of the questions. And for the English, you will be getting these questions: spotting the error, reading comprehension, vocabulary. Mostly, this will be almost 80% easy for the UG level graduates. And then now main syllabus will be actually the functional syllabus. You will be having mainly topics from the agriculture field. Agriculture current affairs, data schemes, NABARD norms, crops, fruit, vegetables, seed rate, scientific names, seed technology, main seed technology is used. Agriculture economics, basis of economics. So various types of agriculture practices used in several parts of India. Soil resources and animal husbandry and technology. Different breeds of animal, various disease and its causes, agriculture, small industries like dairy, honey, dairy, fisheries, etc. You'll be having questions from these sections, rural welfare activities in India, etc. So these are the main topics for the mains exam. And the eligibility for IBPS. Who all can apply for the agriculture field officer post conducted by IBPS? So agriculture graduates, horticulture graduates, animal husbandry and veterinary science graduate. This is our point. Dairy science graduate, fishery science, pisciculture, agriculture, agroforestry, forestry, agriculture, biotechnology, food science, food technology, etc. These all graduates can apply for IBPS AFO. So this was the IBPS PO exam dates in 2019, and this will be the tentative dates in 2020. So these are the vacancies indicative or the tentative vacancies. This can change actually in 2020-21. You cannot find SBI here because SBI is not accepting IBPS exams. So these are the books which you can use to have a very good marks in the IBPS AFO examination. You should have to study all grades and norms of NABARDS and Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwal. And this is for actually you can use it for Indian IFS and UPSC Agriculture. General Agriculture, this is for BHU, PhD exams, JRF clearance, etc. So these all books are very essential, and if you are referring these books means you can get good mark in this A4 test and you can get a job, and this increases the job chances. This is very important book Arun Katyayan because mainly used in the fundamentals of agriculture. You will be getting most of the agriculture questions from this book itself. These are question books for many animal husbandry, that is GC Banerjee you can use. These are IBPS books. This is a very important book. See, you can see many practice sets here. So this is verbal reasoning book, logical reasoning books, competitive reasoning, verbal and non-verbal reasonings. So if at all you want to know more knowledge about the exam and IBPS, you can refer many websites. These are IBPS.in actual website and exam portal. This leads about the bank exams of IBPS. So if you want to get the previous question paper, go to the link on the description box. I'll be leaving the link in the description box and the notification also. Thank you.